am Sadhu Tipali. Today 17 January 2024. I am discuss about in a ChatGPT versus Google Bard. Those are the free to use of this AI technology, and we can automatically the completed the task some query will be the in completed the automatically with the task. So ChatGPT and Google Bard can browse to the web, but Google Bard lets for do it's free, and Google Bard lets all internet access to the internet, all user internet to the access, but ChatGPT limit of this function of ChatGPT. So ChatGPT and Google Bard can use to the machine learning technology and neural network technology uses, but different designer because of the approach different is the designers. So GSM and ChatGPT it is a use pre-trainer and transforming of architecture regenerative of the pre-trainer and transforming architectures. So this typically of the Google Bard technology we can use to the Palm technology. This technology transforming of the architecture it's for the processing of data and predict the number of sequence to the word, number of sequence to the word. So while using to the like a ChatGPT architectures, ChatGPT architecture, those are will be the added. So second layer of translator we can add it to the image generation translator, and conversion will be to the added. ChatGPT it is a ChatGPT and what to say Google Bard, it is a wide range capability. So next generation it's for the chatbot. We in that included the more features will be the added. Some look like some medical features, some medical feature coding. Any coding will be the any code will be the possible to the in that translator, and covering writing will be the added. Those functions will be the added. Difference between the chat gpt and the Google Bard. So training model will be the transforming of a neural network, and in that include the palm technology PALM 2. So developer will be the open AI, in that include the machine learning, deep learning, and neural network transforms. Cost and processing. So ChatGPT it is for the free, but some new version will be the added to the ChatGPT 4. It is paid to the some subscriptions. Google Bard will be the free right now, free for in right now. So image generation is not possible to the chat gpt. In Google Bard will be the it is possible to the in image processing. In that third party will be the added to the more third party will be added to the chat gpt, and it is a forever third party will be added to the chat gpt. ChatGPT, a number of inputs, number of outputs. There are one outputs in the ChatGPT, so one query of input, and there are three outputs of in one input, query of one input. Those are the BARD. So data accessing will be the real time of data accessing. It is also real time accessing for the Googles. Internet access. Google ChatGPT is not also not need to the internet access, and Google Bard will be the access to the internet, and strength will be the strength. So we can understand to the human, we can understanding to the human. So chat gpt will be the added to the neural network technology, neural network technology, and Google Bard will be the added to the more focusing on the next generation will be to added to the next new concept in that included. Those are the difference between the chat gpt and Google Bard. Thank you.